up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, I'll be working solo again. Looks like my brother doesn't want to help me with my new car here. He's just doing other things. So last video, you guys saw me struggle with the stock shocks here. I probably took out the piece where I got the wrong spring compressor from AutoZone and I didn't show you guys, but it made things a lot more difficult than it had to be. So I loosened the brake hose from the back because I thought it would help. Didn't help. I'm gonna have to bleed the brakes again on this car. But in today's video, like I said last video, we got some things in. I got the coilovers from the other car, from the parts car. So here they are. Top hats are kind of beat, but overall, you know, they're underneath the car for God knows how long, but they're just teens. I think these are the basics. I don't know, whatever that means. Oh no, Super Street. So the dampening, pretty cool, I guess. So today we're gonna install those, and my wheel should be here a little bit later. So if not today, maybe tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna put the camera up and I'm gonna get right to it. I'm gonna do, since the rear, look at this, the whole rear is still, the rear brake stuff is still hanging, and the guy painted in blue, like I said last video, whatever. So I'm gonna reassemble that. I'm gonna put the new shock struts in, and hopefully my wheels come in time so that we can put them on. So let's get to it. Guys, so as you've seen, I got all four corners in. This corner here, I used on down here, put the caliper back on. You guys can't really tell, but it's back on, that blue stuff. But I just have to open the trunk. This stuff is in the way. I have to open the trunk to put the 3 nuts on top again, and then all 4 struts are beyond. But 2 things just showed up. This guy.
Tap.
and I mean, I said they might be here. And these bad boys.
These are Volks, right?
These are Volk Evo 4s. Yeah, they're a little beat. They don't look this beat, but these are some big boys. So I believe this is one of the rear wheels. So yeah, look how wide that puppy is. Look how that's a whole palm.
Yeah, I got a pretty big hand.
That's a big tire. So I believe these are some wheels I got from an importer in Florida. Shout out to them. They gave me a pretty good deal on this. some Yokohamas. I want to see the width on these things. I think, yeah, 265, 35, 18. So these are some 18s. So getting rid of the 16s.
Well, the 16's been gone.
Yeah, they've been gone. They're on the parts car.
Yeah.
But so I got these things. They're a little beat up, you know, around the edges, but they're pretty cool. Whoa, sorry, the camera died. So anyways, so I wanted some wider wheels. I got a cameraman now. So I wanted some wider wheels. Eventually, with what we end up doing with this car, we need some wider wheels for more traction. And also I want something that fits nice and flush with the wheels, with the quarter panel, because I don't want no. So
do you know the offset on these?
They're actually plus 46, so it's kind of a high offset. Depending how they sit, especially the rears, I might get 5mm spacers that'll push them out a little bit. But even then, that should be enough, because stock they're 16x7 plus 50, so the offset's a little low, but the width is almost 3 inches wider, so yeah, it should fit pretty flush there. On the Color Lexus forums, it said I could run a 18x10 plus 35 or higher offset to be able not to have to roll my fenders or anything like that. So right now, I was gonna end the video today, but he just showed up because it's pretty late. But right now, we just gotta bleed the rear caliper, and then we could put the rear wheels on and drop the back of the car, which should be a mission within itself, since now that the car is gonna sit a lot lower. And then I'll come to the front, put the splash shields on, and then put the wheels on. Hopefully they don't go through the fender liners like they usually do. I don't know how low this thing's gonna sit, but we're gonna find out pretty soon. So we're gonna put the camera down and put the rear wheels up. We're gonna bleed the rear brake caliper and put the rear wheels on. So let's see how it goes. Transformation, guys. Gotta say, I'm not 100% happy, because you could fit
probably by 11s on this. I mean, no, this is good.
The offset was really killing me, because if these were 35, it fit nice and flush. I also don't want to have to tuck the thing.
Exactly. So this is, honestly, this is perfect before you have to start. One, it's even if it settles and you lose you can't lose much, but I'm guessing it's gonna settle and it's gonna go down a little bit more. And I wouldn't want to run this car tucking, no, per se. Exactly. And it's pretty damn, like, the wheels are right there, like it's gonna rub.
Also, I'm a big guy, so this side, and I noticed this when I put the suspension back on, this front strut was taller than the other one. It makes sense because this side of the car is going to be way down. So whoever did that did a pretty decent job, you know. It makes a lot of sense. So they try to balance the height up because then I don't think I'm big enough where I like, you know, like in the cartoons, like drag the car on one side. But I think this is a pretty good fitment. Once I get in the car, it'll definitely fit a little nicer.
Yeah, and honestly, it looks really good. It's let me try to get a side view of the car. But personally, I like it. It's this one also. If you look at it, this is perfect because if you go any lower with any type of like with the car turning diving a little bit, it's gonna be rubbing. So, I mean, I like it.
I like it too. The wheels obviously need to be get fixed up and whatever.
Refinished,
the
yeah.
Fronts, I definitely need to put a spacer or something. These puppies are sunken.
Yeah, that's what. No, because this car has a really big lip. Like if you look at this, it has a pretty. You can't probably see, but it has a pretty big lip all around.
I mean, we'll see.
Yeah.
With this project, we're gonna do the complete opposite of what we've ever done. We're gonna take it slow. We're not gonna dive right in and take a car all the way apart and then be lost. You know, we want a car to drive for the summer. We don't have to take this engine out.
Yet.
Goal for this summer, at least bare minimum, is just cosmetics. Have the car looking nice. So I'm glad that we stepped out of our comfort zone. I'm glad that I got a new chassis, a whole new manufacturer, and I'm glad where this is going. I think the car looks pretty decent.
I think the car looks great. I'm loving it. It's growing on me every moment. If you cut out the rest of that bumper, kind of looks like a Supra right there.
I think next would either be their interior to get finished, like I said before, or maybe do some cosmetic body work. Because what we're gonna do is I'm probably gonna have this done professionally, the body work, and then I'll paint it myself, or we'll paint it together. Because I want to learn how to paint, and I'm not too confident in our body work, and this is a car I plan to keep it long term, so I don't want that to be.
Even then, we wouldn't be painting the whole car, really.
Oh, 100%, because the paint's faded. The parts car, the parts car actually has better paint than this, which also there may be some more parts we have to go with it. These headlights are hazed AF. Those are pretty nice. So.
Plus, once we rip off the bumper, we can see what's going on with the fog light.
Yeah, so I mean, there's a lot to do from here. I just want to say thank you to you guys for watching this far. If you have, don't forget to subscribe down below. No, subscribe somewhere over here. Comment below your thoughts. You know, it looks pretty good. You know, what should we do? Should we get bigger spacers and get extended studs? It's kind of like, you know, we feed off of you know, suggestions. So let us know what to do to get a better fitment, or you know, if you guys know about interior, anything you guys could possibly think of during the video, just let us know. You know, we read every comment. We only have like 2. Yeah. We read them all, and we're coming back. So
yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow us on social media at All Purpose Builds on Instagram. That's as far as we went. And once again, I'm just gonna show you guys this because this is pretty. I don't know if you can see from back here, but that wheel, the fitment on this wheel is actually pretty nice.